So this is the daily chart on GoodRx, and the stock rallied roughly 20% on stronger than anticipated earnings, but they also announced a new stock buyback. So let's zoom out to the monthly chart just to put current price relative to historical price. And what you can see is that price did bottom out near this $5 level, right? These wicks below $5 implies that there was buyers, and buyers were willing to defend, uh, we'll say, the $4 level. And on the top side, we can see a huge rejection wick. It's actually the August 2022 rejection wick, and I just marked off $10 as that is a round hole psychological number. Scrolling down to the weekly chart, and what you can see is that the moving averages, you have the 13, the 26, and the 50 converged, and now we see price above the 100-day moving average, and that hasn't happened for quite some time. So it's safe to say that the bottom is in on GoodRx. Now, regarding their earnings results, let's actually look at the details. So in the fourth quarter, GoodRx revenue grew 7% year over year to $197 million, which translated to an adjusted net income of $31 million, or 8 cents per share, up from 7 cents per share in the prior year period. Now, analysts were actually looking for 7 cents per share on slightly lower revenue. GoodRx ended the quarter with more than 7 million customers or consumers of prescription-related offerings. Prescription transactions revenue in the period rose 11%, fueled by an 8% increase in monthly active consumers. This more than offset a 6% decline in subscription revenue to 23 million. An expected drop given the sunset of GoodRx partnership subscription program with Kroger. If that wasn't enough, GoodRx board approved a new 450 million stock repurchase program, a hefty sum considering the company boasts a market cap of just under 3.2 billion. The program has no expiration date, and it replaces a previous buyback authorization that expired on February 23rd. Now, finally, for 2024, management forecasts that revenue will increase by 7% to roughly 800 million, well above consensus estimates of revenue of 790 million, and adjusted EBITDA of roughly 250 million. So it was a good quarter. Nothing to complain about it. And as a result, you can see price rose for the past week roughly $2, a little under $2. But the question is, where is price going from here? This is the daily chart, and you can see all the moving averages have converged and are starting to point up, so that's a good sign. Again, kind of fortifying that the lows near that $5 are in. Now I want to look at current price and go up into the left. And you have resistance at $9, but if you look at the volume, there's no volume here. Unlike this candle here, it's the August 9th candle 2022, and you have a massive extended range red candle on huge volume, way above average. And so for me, this is where it'll be time to unload or set as a first target, as you do have a gap that needs to be filled at $10.75. So don't chase price. I typically like price to retest previous highs, which is near that $7 level, before moving higher to at least the first target at the $10 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.